Depending on the type of office setup that you have, starting an appointment can be done several ways within the system. The first of those, if you work on your own in an office, you don't have front desk staff or peers or student staff that check students in for appointments or a kiosk for students to check themselves in, the easiest way is going to be going to this upcoming appointments tab, where you can then check the box next to the student that has come to your office and click this actions to say add appointment summary. Adding the appointment summary starts the appointment officially within the system and is where you're going to be able to take notes. So that's if you're working in an office without front desk or peers or other folks checking students in formally in the system. If you're working in an office where there is front desk staff, peers or student staff that check students in, or a kiosk for student self-check-in, you'll see something come up like this. I'm on another screen acting as a front desk staff member, and I'm checking in the student for the 11:30 appointment. What will happen is you'll get a notification on the screen. You can set up on your appointment queues tab whether you'd like to receive a ding, an email, a text message, 2 or 3, any of those you can change at any time. It'll update automatically. And once that's there, you're able to then select the radio button and click Start Appointment. If the student leaves before you meet with them, you can remove them. If you're working in an environment where you don't need to make notes or reports on the student, which is very rare, you can check the student out. But if this is a traditional advising or meeting where you want to keep a report or notes, the Start Appointment button is going to be where you go. I highly recommend, in either case, either from the upcoming appointments or the appointments queue tab, you use the right click to open a new tab with the student's information, because once you select this, it's going to open a reporting box and block the ability to kind of easily open that from there. And it's just nice to already have the student information available. SSC Campus has a lot of information, but it's also not a substitute for DuckWeb advising pages. So I always highly recommend that you have both SSC Campus and DuckWeb open at the same time, because DuckWeb has the ability to run degree audits and what if degree audits, and to look at other things that you won't be able to see in SSC Campus. So I recommend having the student tab open, your upcoming appointments or appointment queue open, and a DuckWeb window as well. In the next video, we're going to talk through actually filling out an advising report.